Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this site cannot be reached problem on Google Chrome. So if you're trying to access a website and it keeps on coming up that you cannot reach this website, the first thing I would recommend you do is check if you can browse other websites. And if you're able to browse other websites, the other thing that I would recommend you do is tap on the three dots beside your profile pic in the top right hand corner. Then select history. After selecting history, you're going to be led to this page and you're going to tap on clear browsing data. And from here you just want to clear your browsing data. If after clearing your browsing data it is still giving that problem, the next thing that I would recommend you do is go down to the bottom right hand corner on your device, and from here you're going to type in internet. So let me do it. You simply want to type in internet and you're going to tap on internet options, as you can see right here. And once you have opened internet options, you're going to tap on connections. And after selecting connections, you're going to tap on LAN settings right here. And you want to ensure that this box that you see right here is unticked. Some of the time it is because this box is ticked right here, that's why you're having trouble. So you want to ensure that this box right where it says proxy server, you want to ensure that it is unticked, as you can see on my page right here. After you have done this, I would recommend that you restart your device and your problem will more than likely be solved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.